Hi friends, in this video I will be showing plastic pulley. I will also tell you how we can purchase this product. See, this is a product. I will tag this product. You can purchase this product from the tag. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.